Someone might be saying, well, obviously one is white, one is blue. The older car has white wall tires, more chrome. The newer car has bucket seats which extend above the door line, passenger side rear view mirror. There's obviously the sports package because you can see the rear spoiler on the rear of the car and air intake on the front. The cars aren't that much different. Well, you know the cliche, don't judge a book by its cover, don't judge a car by its outside. Because let's take a look at the inside of both these cars. The next picture is the engine compartment, the inside of a 1964 Ford Mustang. That big blue apparatus on top is the carburetor. Underneath the carburetor, well, that's the engine block, provides power. Because it gets hot, you got the radiator in front. Because you have to get the power to the rest of the car. Behind the engine, you can't see it, but right behind the engine is a gearbox leading into a drive shaft to the rear wheels, all of which is wrapped by that very attractive car body. Now, this is a picture of the engine compartment of a 2010 Ford Mustang. Now, for those of you wondering, take a look. Can you even find the engine? Well, it's in there. It's in there. It's in the back upper right-hand corner of that picture. And your next question might be, why is all that other stuff in there? What are all those other gadgets, all those other contraptions? So think about it. In terms of 2010 versus 1964, what's the difference? Well, you might be thinking, well, wait a second. You know, emissions, that's true. The new car, much cleaner exhaust. Not only cleaner exhaust, but a whole bunch of much better. How is it much better? Performance, 3 times the horsepower. Much better fuel economy. So, in other words, the car goes faster, further. But you're not going to get lost going further, faster, because you've got onboard navigation in the form of GPS. You're going further, faster, you're not going to get bored. You got onboard entertainment, satellite radio, CD player, MP3 player. You're going further, faster, places you don't know. Maybe at night, not to worry, you're safe. You got your power steering, traction control, anti-lock braking system. And if worse comes to worse, this car crashes, you got your crumple zones, airbags, you're pretty much likely to be safe. It's a much better car than the 1964 version. Not only that, it costs less. Adjusted for inflation, the new car costs less than the 1964 version, which in fact costs less than the Model T Henry Ford might have sold directly to you back in the day. So it's a better car, it's a more affordable car, and in fact, as Ford and other automakers have learned how to make cars, they can make more of these cars for more people than ever before. So better, more affordable, higher volume. It's exactly what we're looking in healthcare, so let's keep going.